Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the couple things I bought from Big Lots. Just walked up there and uploaded a video of that, so it's pretty cool. You can check that out if you want. I got this eyeball doorbell. It's not one of the ones with the actual plastic over it that lifts up and makes it look like it's blinking. It's just a screen or something, just projection. But I'm honestly not even sure if it's made by Jemmy, and it was 15 bucks. And they're calling their thing Haunted Hollow this year. And then here's the other item. It's a thundering strobe light. Now, I bought one of these at either Kmart or Walmart many years ago, and pretty sure they're made by Magic Power. But, yeah, now I have another one. So, you can see the box has the Try Me on it, and so does this one, actually. Forgot to mention that. But, this one was $14. They're both pretty cool, I think. I mean, that's why I bought them. They're okay. Good enough for me to buy. So I'm gonna try them out real quick, and then I'll take them out of the packaging, because I want to check and see if that other one is made by Magic Power. Oh.
Enter if you dare. Hey, what are you doing? Turn around and walk away. Who goes there?
Well, I think it has enough phrases for a $15 item. I'm gonna try out this one now. I tried it in the store, and it's missing a phrase that the older one had. Pretty sure. This was one of the phrases on the original, and then the next one was like static-ish type sounds. Yep, there it is, like electric. And then there was like another. This is also one that was on the original. Next one was like, help me, or something. It's pretty cool for a cheap little strobe light. That's the one that's missing. Yep, I don't think that was on the original, but I know that the help me was, and I'm guessing that now it's more electric sounds. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna cut the clip here and then take them out of the packages. Or I could just record it, I don't know. Let's see what I do. Okay, so I've got a little knife here. I'm gonna try and open this one, probably off camera, because it's probably gonna be difficult on camera to do that. Not sure if you can see what that says there. I'm just trying to show it. But yeah, I gotta cut these 2 zip ties, and that's about it. So, actually, I'm gonna try it on camera, because sometimes I can get them at a certain angle and they'll just cut. Don't try this at home the way I'm doing it. Use both hands, one to hold it, and not on the same side as you're putting the knife. Yeah, I'm gonna probably cut this clip. I'll leave it in though. This is a little funny piece of the video. There's really nothing I can do with this because the knife kind of folds in. It doesn't have a lock. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the clip here. Okay, I got one zip tie done. On to the next one. Okay, both of them are done now, so let's just pull these out and then lift it off. Or however this goes. So, there's both of the zip ties off. And now, it really does not look like it was made in China. Here, I'll put the flash on. Here it is with flash. You can see if the glare isn't bad. It's made in China. And then something size AA and lock, open. Oh, Giggles International. That's odd. 2018. You can see the speaker. Look at that, Giggles International. Never heard of that brand before. Here's some more stuff. Might be hard to read. It says model number and doorbell. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. A bunch of other stuff. And there's the piece you hang it on. That's about it for this one. There's a little on and off switch. On, off. It's not going to do anything, obviously, on, off. Yeah, that's about it. I don't have much to say about that one. So, I'm going to put the packaging with that. And then we're going to take a look at this with the flash on. Not sure how to open this. You might just peel something, and then that's it. Oh, yep, there it is. So... Oh, PAC, Pan Asian. Kind of surprised because these were made by Magic Power, but I guess the Magic Power shut down. Never mind. So, yeah, it says PAC 2014. Pretty sure it was Magic Power in 2014. And there's this thing complies with the rules or something. And then do not mix new and old batteries. There's that again. And then there's a little sticker on here. The Pan Asian Creation. Oh, it's so hard to do this. Pan Asian Creations Limited. You can go to panasian.com, made in China. Now, when I was at the counter, I asked, can you take this out of the packaging to see who made it? Oh, God. And they said, China made it. Which is true, but I was talking about the company, not the place. So, yeah, just taking one last quick look at this. It's pretty worth 15, 14 bucks, whatever it was. 14. And I like how the Try Me actually stayed the same. It was this orange when I got mine from Kmart or Walmart too. And it's about the same shape. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna put this back in the box until Halloween, because I like to keep my stuff in good shape and in the packaging for as long as it can stay in that. But yeah. I'm gonna move everything in frame. Here's the packaging. Here's the two items, and this will probably be the thumbnail. So, yeah, that's about it. Goodbye.